Hello guys, welcome back to my channel on Taurus TV. Today mapapakita ko sa inyo yung kit na I'm sure magugustuhan nyo, lalo-lalo ng mga vlogger. Ito po, Osmo Mobile 3. Yun. Ay, may pouch pa siya. Actually, hindi ko po siya binili. Meron pong nagmagandang loob. One of our client saw me filming one of my setup. Then he approached me and we talk about my channel and then blah blah blah. And then all of a sudden he's going to his room and then there he is. He gave it this one to me. Big shout out to you, Sir Michael. I'm sorry to mention your name, but I need to mention. Anyway, gusto ko lang pong pakita sa inyo. Hindi ko pa masyadong kabisado pero I will try my best. Yung mga pictures niya. Yan, how to open. Okay. And then may mga button list dito. This is the joystick. Yan. Then the record. And this one power. And pag nalobat siya, actually this charging time is around 2.5 hours yung charging niya. And then 16 hours mo siya magagamit. Ganun siya galing. And then mamaya pa papakita ko sa inyo yung kung paano siya, yung mga pictures niya, okay? First, you have to download these apps. DJI Mimo. Then connect to Bluetooth. You have to scan first. And then actually I download already this application. So what we will do is to connect. And now you have to start first to connect via Bluetooth. There you go. Make sure your camera is on top, but there's a guidelines. You will see the red button so that you can shoot properly. Make sure nasa gitna yung cellphone para magbalanse siya. This angle is portrait. If you want landscape like this, you have to press twice the button. This button is for zoom in and zoom out. This joystick is used for a different angle. This is the best feature of this DJI Osmo. Ang tawag dito ay active track. Sinusundan ka ng camera kahit saan ka pumunta. O, diba? thank you so much for watching my videos today. Bago po ako magpaalam, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Sir Michael for having me this one. Big help on my vlog because my hand is shaking. Shoutout nga pala kay Sir Jinky. Yan Sir Jinky Ramos. For never ending support. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo na talent is nothing without working. This is Odin Torres. Peace out.